In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java JDK on your Mac operating system. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you how you can check whether Java is really installed on your Mac OS or not. Now, there are two ways for checking it. First is to open your system preferences. There is this icon you can see here. You can just click on this system preferences icon and it's going to open the system preferences for you, right? And you can see this is the system preferences window. And if you see Java at the bottom of this window, then Java is most probably installed on your system. So if Java is installed on your system, you will be able to see the Java icon like all these other icons in your system preferences, right? You can open system preferences from here also, from this Apple icon, and then you can just click system preferences and it's going to open the same, right? The second way is to check the Java version using the terminal. Now, in order to open the terminal, you can just open the spotlight using this search icon at the top, you can see, and then just write terminal and it's going to open the terminal icon. So just click on this and it's going to open your terminal, right? Now in here you just need to type Java and then minus version and then press enter, and it's going to first of all give you this warning which says no Java runtime present, requesting install. So this means that Java is not installed on my system and I need to install it. And it's going to give me a pop-up window like this which says to use the Java command line tool you need to install a JDK. So with the help of this pop-up window, what we need to do is we just need to click this option which says more info. So just click on this option which says more info, which is going to open the Oracle website. Okay, so you can see it has opened the Oracle website, and in here just agree to the cookie conditions, and then you will be able to see two buttons here, one for Java and other for NetBeans with Java. So what we need is this button which is for Java, and the version of Java is this one, right? Java JDK. So we just need to click this button which says Java, which is going to open this download page here. Now just scroll down a little, and first of all you need to accept the license agreement. So you just need to check this radio button. So just check this radio button in front of accept license agreement. And once this radio button is checked, you can just scroll a little bit down and you will be able to see this option for Mac OS X. Okay, so this is the option for Mac OS X, and this is about 226 megabyte file, and its extension is .dmg file. Okay, so we need to install, first of all download and then install using this file our Java JDK, right? So just click on this one which says x64.dmg in front of Mac OS X, and once you click this, the download for this DMG file will start, right? Now depending upon the speed of your internet, it's going to take few minutes, right? So I will wait for some time to download to complete, and then we will see how we can install Java on our system. So now this DMG file is downloaded. So I'm going to double click on this file. So double click on the downloaded DMG file, and it's going to open the installation of this DMG file. You can see the pop-up window will appear like this, right? Let me minimize my browser so we can see it in a better way. So now you have this kind of window opened when you double click on the DMG file. Now it says double click on the icon to install. So you just need to double click on this icon to install it. And now it's going to start installing the Java JDK 8 in my case at the time of making this video. And you will see this kind of a window. Now you just need to click continue here, and then it says install for all users of this computer. So I just need just that, so I will just click continue. First of all, select this and then click continue. And now it says this will take around this much amount of space of your computer. So if you agree, then you just need to click install, right? And at the time of installing, it will ask you to give your computer's password. So whatever is the password of your Mac computer, you just need to give it here. So I'm going to give my password here, and then I'll click install software, and now it will start installing the Java JDK software. And now it says the installation was completed successfully, right? So once you see this message, that means Java is installed successfully on your Mac OS. You just need to close this window. And to check this, we are going to open our system preferences once again. So I'm going to just open this system preferences once again using this icon. But this time I'm going to open it with this option in the under the Mac icon. So system preferences, and you can see this Java icon here, right? And when you click on this Java icon, it's going to show you this kind of message. The Java control panel opens in the separate window, right? So you can just see this, and you when you click on this icon, you will be able to see this kind of Java control panel, and then you will be able to see general information of your Java software. You can see if there is any update or not, and then you can see some of the other features of Java. So you can see view the and manage Java runtime version. So if you want to view Java runtime version, you can view like this. So we have the 1.8 platform. The product is 1.8.0 point something. The location is this one. So you can see the Java JDK and runtime is installed at this location. You can just see this location, or you can just copy this location, and we can verify that Java is really installed at this location, right? So what I'm going to do is I will just leave it as opened, and I'm going to just minimize the system preferences just, and let's just minimize this one also. I'm going to just cancel it for now and minimize it for now, right? Now I also told you that you can also verify the Java version using the terminal. So once again open the terminal. So if you give the same command on the same old terminal before installing Java, you have opened this terminal, and once you see, it will show you this kind of version of the Java, and you can now see the Java version. So it says Java version 1.8, right? Once again, you can also check the Java compiler by using Java C minus version, and then press enter, and it's also going to give you the version of Java C. So now Java is installed successfully on your Mac OS. Now one thing remains is the setting of Java home environment variable, and this is also very important. So what we are going to do is I'm going to just clear the terminal for now, and first of all I will switch to my home directory. By the way, I'm already in my home directory, but if you are not if you are not in your home directory, you just need to switch it to your home directory, whatever is your home directory is. And if you don't know how to do it, you just need to just press this tilde and then the forward slash, and before this you just need to write cd tilde forward slash and press just that, enter, and you will be in your home folder, right? And I'm going to just ls into this folder, which is going to list all the directories and file in this folder. So to check whether the Java home is really set on your Mac OS, you just need to write this command, echo, then that dollar symbol, and then Java underscore home, all in capital. And if it does not give any output here, then Java home is not set. So for this, what you need to do is, first of all, you just need to do ls minus al here. So it is going to show you all the hidden file also to the terminal. I must give ls minus al, right? And then press enter. And I can see in my home folder all these files and directories, right? So I can see dot history, dot bash history is there, dot bash underscore session is there. So these are all the hidden files with the dot extension. Now generally we set our Java home environment variable in the dot bash underscore profile file. But for the first time, if you don't see this file in this list, then you just need to create this file. So if this file is not present, don't worry, you can just create this file, which is dot bash underscore profile. So we are going to just create this file. I'm going to clear the terminal, and I'm in the same directory, right? So I'm going to just write touch, and touch is used to create files, right? And I'm going to create this file dot bash underscore profile. Okay, you just need to create this file and then press enter, which is going to create this file. We can just do ls minus al once again, and now you can see this dot bash underscore profile is created, right? Now inside this dot underscore profile, we just need to export the Java home variable, right? So what you need to do is you can just open this dot profile, bash profile in an editor. So you can just write open minus e to open this file in an editor, and then just write bash underscore profile and then press enter, which is going to open this dot bash profile in an editor, right? And you just need to give this command here, which is export Java underscore home, all in capital. So Java underscore home is in capital, and then is equal to, then the dollar symbol, and then in the brackets you just need to give forward slash user forward slash lib exec forward slash Java underscore home in smaller, and then close your bracket. Okay, so you just need to do this in order to set your Java home variable. I will just paste this text in the description also, so that you can just copy this and just paste it in your dot bash underscore profile file. Okay, so just give this command and then save it. So I'm going to just save it. You can save it from here also. Just go to file and click save, and then close this file. Okay, and now you just need to close the terminal also once again, and I'm going to minimize this, and once again I'm going to open the terminal. So I'm going to first of all quit this terminal. So I'm going to just quit. So this is the old terminal on which I was working. Now I'm going to open the new terminal in order to see the changes, right? So just open the new terminal, and now I'm going to just give the same command, echo, and then dollar Java underscore home. Okay, and then press enter, and now you can see this location, which is the location for your Java home environment variable, which is set automatically by that command which we have pasted in our bash underscore profile file. So now the Java JDK and JRE is fully installed on your system with this Java home environment variable. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please